Jeff, here is your write-up. If you are looking for a Roush Mustang, then you know performance and respect solid race car engineering and tuning. This Stage 2 Roush is built for one thing, and that tire shredding corner carving performance. If you are a driver looking for street cred and the performance to back it up, then you have found the right car. This car has the power to light off the tires at will, and yet is not just a straight line missile, because this thing goes around corners like your favorite roller coaster. Now here is the kicker. This bad boy has been upgraded to a 6-speed transmission. So check out the photos with the Hurst shifter proudly sitting there ready for you, to feel that precision linkage that only Hurst knows how to build. Now with that 6-speed, you